Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're not new. I ain't say that in so long, but I'm excited to be back for another hair video for you guys. I just finished washing my hair. It's deep conditioned and it has some leave-in conditioner in it. I had this idea to try another twist out. Yes, it's another twist out, but I'm only going to use foam wrap. Only going to use foam wrap because I want my twist out to be fluffy, and you know, I want the foam wrap to give it that nice defined ringlet. You know, I don't want to really weigh my hair down with a butter or any oils or anything like that. So I'm thinking foam wrap will give me the look that I'm going for. Hopefully I'm correct. So the foam I'm going to be using today is from Texture ID. It is their thermal multi-styling foam. I've used this quite a few times. I use it for my wash and goes, and I've used it for, I think, flexi rod sets or perm rod sets, one of those a while back, but lately I've been using it for my wash and goes and I love it. So I'm gonna use this bad boy for my twist out to get that fluffy twist out, and I might even add some of this Camille Rose curl maker on the ends just to give it a little bit more definition if the foam isn't really doing it for me, or if I think it needs a little bit more hold. But overall, the goal is to not have my hair feel weighed down. I just want it to be fluffy and airy, like really light, but also have that definition and just give me that full-on twist out cute curly fro look. So that's the goal I'm going for. Yeah, so if you want to see that, let's go ahead and hop straight into this video. All right, so my hair is freshly washed, conditioned, and I even applied a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it. I used the Camille Rose Honey leave-in. I really like using that to give my hair a lot of moisture. It really hydrates my hair, which I love. And my hair is already sectioned off. I did that in the shower when I applied the leave-in just to make it easier on myself. I'm going for kind of some medium-sized twists. I don't want them too large because, again, I want that definition, but I also don't want them too small because I don't really like taking out really small twists. So there's that. I need a clip. So I'm gonna take this side section and we're gonna hope for the best. I'm gonna do 2 pumps. I love the way this stuff smells. It has a very like clean scent. Get my hair. Look at it. Already the definition is popping. Like, let me get close for y'all. Y'all see that? And this foam adds so much moisture. 2 pumps is probably too much. I could definitely go for 1 pump. So we'll try 1 pump on the next one. Also, is my section too big? No, it's not too big. All right, so just rake that through and we're gonna twist. And when I twist, I make sure to twist the hair as well. Not like a Senegalese twist, but just like a wrap it around. You know, like a take it in, take it in, take it in. That's my little twist tutorial for y'all. But look at it. Ah, it's so juicy. Oh my gosh. It just looks so good. And because I twisted it in, or like just, it's the movement of the wrist. That's what it really is. You're not really twisting the hair, but it's just the movement of your wrist. Like that. Ooh. And it just forms this nice rope like twist. Very juicy, very plump. Ooh, I'm liking this. Okay, let me keep going. If y'all hear noises, like, it's my chair. It's time for a new one. The daggone grip on it is gone. So every time it spins, it's like grinding on itself and it's just a mess. So I'm gonna just do 1 pump because 2 was just a little bit too much. Like, or not really too much, but I didn't need that much. Put this on here. Rake it through. Also, like, my hairstylist who does my hair, she's the only stylist I trust to do my hair, like really do it, straighten it, give me my trims and everything. She only uses foam wrap when she does twists. Like, that's all she uses. And they be coming out bomb. Mine came out good. She did my flat twist. And I also have seen another person who I follow on Instagram. They only use foam wrap. They're professional hairstylists. So I have high hopes for this. And when I twist, I make sure that the hair is like flat in between my fingers. And if it kind of bunches up, you just want to go detangle it a bit and keep it pushing. Give it a nice twirl and let it go. Oh, they look so good already. Oh my gosh. It just looks so juicy, so good. Let's keep going. I'm really excited about this. This is gliding through my hair so nicely. I love the consistency of this foam. Like, you would think that all foams would have the same consistency, but they don't, girl. They do not. Some foams are very, very thin and watery. Others, like this one, they have a bit of a thickness to them, almost creamy, if you will. And so it just glides onto my hair, but also it feels like it's sticking to my hair. Not sticky, but just like it's adhering to my hair. It's where I feel like I'm actually putting it on my hair, rather than you know, a more watery one would just slide right off of my hair. So I really like this foam wrap. And give me some definition. It's just nice all the way around. Alright, this is what it's looking like. Very nice, very juicy, very plump. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this section and move on to the next section. So the twists are all in. As you can see, they look so good, so good. This side I literally just finished doing, so that's why you see some product. But as you can tell with this side, it dries down and it goes away, which I love about foam. Also, I only used the Camille Rose curl maker on this section, this front section, because I didn't really need it, but I did want to see if it would make a difference on how the twist turned out in the end. So I did put it only on this front section here, so we'll see once we take them down if it made a difference. Also, it's raining. There's like a little storm going on, so if you hear that, that's what that is. All in all, my hair feels super good. It feels very light. It feels moisturized, and it just looks very good. I'm just so pleased with how the twist looks so far that I cannot wait to take these down. I probably won't take them down until tomorrow. So I'll be back tomorrow and we're gonna take down, and hopefully these turn out the way that I expect them to and the way that I want them to. But that is that. I'll catch y'all in about 2 seconds. All right, girls, so it's the next day and these twists are still juicy. They still feel great. They are all dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them down. I'm gonna use just a little bit of oil on my fingertips, just a little bit, that much. And we're gonna go ahead and take down. Let me start with this one. Ooh, definition, honey, definition. All right, this is my hair with twist freshly out, y'all. It has definition. She got movement, she not stiff, like she looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and separate. I'm gonna separate off camera, but I am gonna make sure to separate very softly, carefully is what I meant. I'm gonna make sure to separate them very carefully, be as gentle as I can, because I don't want a whole bunch of frizz. But y'all already know your girl be getting some frizz regardless, but I'm trying to cut back on the amount of frizz that I get. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate off camera, and then I'll be back and we're gonna see how it looks. Like, I'm so excited. I almost like shouldn't even separate it. What y'all think? How y'all feeling? Rock it like this or separate it? Would you rock it straight out the twist like this, or do you have to go in and separate? I've always been the type to have to go in and separate, so I'm gonna go separate, but I want to know how you guys rock your twists. So this is what she's looking like, all separated. To be honest, I like it. Like, it's not what I would normally do to my hair. Normally I separate and then go in with my comb or my pick and I'm fluffing to get like volume, but I kind of want to preserve the style, so I didn't want to go in and go crazy with the fluffing right now. But to my surprise, I like it like this. It looks so cute. It looks a little bit flat, but as the days go by and probably as the hours go by today, she's gonna get bigger and yeah, she's gonna look even better. But I really like it. What y'all think? I think it came out really cute. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, my goal was to get that light, fluffy, airy, curly fro. Right now, it's not technically a fro or as big of a fro as I would like it. However, we did achieve that light and airy twist out, okay? Definition is there. It's super light. Like, look at it. She's just flowing. Like, she's just flowing. And I love it. I absolutely love it. My hair feels great. It's nice and clean. It's super moisturized. The foam is bomb. The foam is bomb. I'll probably just do my twist outs with foam, to be honest with you, because I'm tired of that greasy feeling. I'm tired of my hair feeling weighed down. I'm tired of the product builds up on my hair. You know, my twist outs not really lasting as long as I would like them to last. So I'm gonna try and use foam wrap for the remainder of the year for my twist outs and see how that does on my hair. But anywho, that is my hair. Oh, one more thing. I did mention that I used the Camille Rose curl maker on this little section. It didn't seem to have made any difference. So yeah, there's that. They look the same, it feels the same. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and drop some comments down below. And do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel and also hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time your girl posts a new video. That is all I have for you guys, so I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.